Whoa. Yo, how you doing? I always act like this. Just not too often on camera. Anywho, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell to be notified of uploads of my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But I've got a 4-day window of opportunity. Freezing rain coming. 4 days. Let's freshen everything up and see what the weather brings. I got 5 gallon of wax dirt, 5 gallon of sieve dirt, and all kinds of bait. Got work to do, got snares that'll be put out by Friday at the latest. Nevertheless, stick around, stay with me. May have all kinds of critters, may have all kinds of possums, may have all kinds of nothing. But it's still going to be a good day. Any day out there is a good day. Let's go. Called me last night and told me there was a coyote running around the field. So, bingo, baby. Stay with me. I'm out of breath. I got some research to make. I don't know how good he's caught. Hey, good looking dog, though. He got the world tore up right here. How good you caught? He ain't going nowhere. No, he's on that drag. He ain't going nowhere. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's a good looking yoke, but good looking dog. Yeah, he ain't going nowhere. So, connection number 5. We got recess to do. Weather's coming. Stay with me and get this fella took care of. He may have shoulder mites. Yeah, he's got mange. Yeah, I see it now. I see it now. He got shoulder mites. Yep, guard hairs are gone. He in too bad a shape me to keep. Man, look what a dog. God, dog it. And he's eat up. I can see it from here. Stay with me. You can see here where he's tore up the world. But I think maybe he's gone, but I had him water that tree right there. So he wasn't going nowhere. He wasn't about to drag that off, but you can see his bank. I just had me a dirt hole set up right there. Yeah, right there's my dirt. I can see my dirt. There was a little brush right there. And put a little bit of that Kentucky Trappers specialty in there. And that took care of him. Got it done. So, I mean, he's eat up my mites though. Yeah, he's eat up my mites. Let's go and look at him. He should be dead. I hope he is. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, he's got mites bad. Yeah, he's eat up. He got shoulder lines. So, hey, it is what it is. Duke, rear paw catch, but it's a catch nonetheless. So, let's head on there. We got work to do. Well, if you don't get out of it, that's a dark one, man. Yeah, he's front paw catch. I don't know how good. God, he's jumping right straight down. Let me give you a video just in case he gets out. Two dogs today so far. This set right here is absolutely produced. God almighty. Look at the color on that one. Yeah. He'd probably get out. Be my luck, but he ain't going nowhere. I don't think. No, he ain't going nowhere. Tangled up right there, buddy. Tangled up. Ah, he's caught good. He ain't going nowhere. No, he ain't going nowhere. He's caught. Look at that right there. Number 2 for today. We got resets to make. Them guard hairs look good on him. You going nowhere, buddy? Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. He's pissing. Golly, look at that. That's a good looking yoke right there now. Them guard hairs. Stay with me, get him took care of. Full pad catch. Stay with me. As you can see, he tore his tree all to pieces. So, what I like to do is all natural cubby. And this is about as natural as it gets. I'll build it up around the sides a little bit. And reset right back in the same spot. This place has been producing right here. So, stay with me just a minute. Two sets right here on the left. I always produce. They always have. Look here. Look here. God, what a dog, son. Yeah, he's got a good catch on him too. You ain't going nowhere, Jasper. That's a good looking dog right there. He's a little red, ain't he? That ain't that red one though. And from time past, shooting this 22, I'm gonna get my catch pole out and bring him out because I don't want to shoot it in them rock. That's a good looking dog, man. Look what a catch on him. That's a bridger. Dog number 3. Today, we're not done yet. Stay with me. He's red, but that ain't the red one. He's red, but that ain't the red one. We may have 2 or 3 more. Man, that's a full pad catch. I screwed that trap in just the other day. That's why I like using natural. That's why I like using natural sets. as natural as I can find them. Sometimes you have to build them, sometimes you can come across them. But I'll get him out there and do a reset. Stay with me. This is another prime example of natural funnels that I look for. If I know coyotes in the area, this tree right here is absolutely produced unreal. And this is the way I've always made it, just like this right here. That hole was pretty deep. I can put whatever I want to down in there. Whole chicken, a little bit of dog food, whatever. Got a feather on the limb. Put a little hellfire on it. But this set right here has produced time and time again. They run off at ridge right there. I've got a big fat coon out there. I'll show you here in a minute. But I remade this with wax dirt because we got some bad weather coming. I won't have to come out there and fool with this for a while. I can glass it from a distance. But this is my funnel sets, my natural sets. And there's all kinds of them around here. There's one right down there on that tree. There's one right over there at that tree. I mean, there's probably 10 sets right here, natural funnels. So, let's go take care of that raccoon. Think about what my dad would say. He'd say, boy, a good stiff wind and a cold glass of water put you down. He wasn't lying. Hiked 5 miles today, 3 coyotes and a raccoon. I got the 2 coyotes skint and the raccoon skint put in the freezer. The 3rd coyote had shoulder mites. I departed with that Jasper. Done both of us a favor. Nevertheless, I want to say I appreciate everything that you do for me and my little family. I mean that. Hill folk say what they mean what they say. I know a lot of times you'll read a comment that I'll post to sure appreciate you or sure thank you for stopping in. Seems repetitive, but it's meant nonetheless. I appreciate all that you do for us. Nevertheless, go further, stay longer. I'm going to get me a good scrubbing and a bite to eat. I'll catch you out that way somewhere. Thanks for watching.